welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia. We have a fantastic and super simple recipe for you today. These are mini toasted marshmallow trifles. And today we're going to be working with our Toasted Marshmallow Artisan. This is the star of the show today. It is such a great tool to use to bump up the flavor of anything, a cake, a buttercream, a whipped cream, which is what we're doing today. And it's going to give you that great campfire, fresh marshmallow flavor. I am obsessed with s'mores, which is a play on what we're doing today. This is going to give us that great bold flavor of a freshly roasted marshmallow, a beautiful color, and that caramel round finish to whatever you're working with. So let's get started. We're going to start by making our whipped cream. Now I am making a vegan whipped cream. All of these can be swapped out if you want to just use heavy whipping cream. So we're going to start with 1 cup of a plant-based whipping cream into our mixer. You can also use a hand mixer, but I'm just gonna let my KitchenAid do the work for me. And I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar into this. Now, if you like your sweetness, if you just are obsessed with the sweetness that you have for your whipped cream recipe, stick with that and maybe dial it down a teensy bit to make room for the sweetness that's already incorporated in the Artisan. All right, so let's let her rip. We're gonna let her whip. Here we go. Okay, we're about halfway to it setting up. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and I'm gonna add my Artisan flavor. So I am going to do a tablespoon of Artisan flavor, and this is about a 6% usage level from weighing out my ingredients. And I'm just going a little bit on the light flavor side. That's just what I happen to like for this recipe. But if you want to go a little more bold, you could, of course, add a 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons. All right, let's whip it up. You get to see that beautiful caramel color that I mentioned. Okay, so this is ready. You can see we have a nice little peak going on right there. And I'm actually gonna load mine into a piping bag for a nice presentation while assembling my trifle, but you can just scoop it straight out of the bowl if you're just eating this at home by yourself. Not that I've ever done that before. Yes, I have. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag too. Just cut off the corner tip. Piping bags are a lot easier though. Okay, great, time to assemble. This is pretty fun and easy. Anyone can do this. With the batch that we just made, you can make about 8 to 10, depending on how you wanna layer. I'm just gonna make 2, 1 for me, 1 for you. So we're gonna start off by putting some graham crackers at our base. These are vegan, gluten-free. You can use any graham cracker you like, whatever's your favorite. If you're in the UK and you don't have graham cracker at your grocery store, you could use biscotti or a shortbread cookie kind of crumbled up, or any sweet little sugar cookie that you like. And then we're gonna do a layer of our toasted marshmallow whipped cream. Oh, it smells so good. And then a nice little sprinkling of chocolate chips. A tiny bit more whipped cream, 1 more layer of graham cracker, more whipped cream, and top with chocolate chips. And you can just keep going and going as tall as your glass is, or if you're using a ball jar. This is such a fun and great treat to give somebody. They're gonna really love you and appreciate you after you give them this. Now my favorite part, I am about to take a big bite, or a little bite, probably big. Gotta go all the way to the bottom. It's so good. It tastes just like being at the campfire. So much easier than smushing down a s'more. and taking a big bite. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me for this recipe. I hope you can subscribe to our channel if you want more fun New Year's recipes like this. And you can also follow us on our social media channels at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Thanks, bye.